Hi, this is Mark Chandler, President of ACT Solutions Corp. Today we'll talk about Ensulizole, the forgotten sunscreen. Building sun protection in skincare products is never easy, whether it's designing for the beach, for daily, or a liquid foundation. Of course, there is the issue of aesthetics. In the US, we only have a limited number of sunscreens from which to choose. So we go and dip into the same pot over and over again, working with different combinations of organics and inorganics, hoping to find some combination that will give us the SPF and the broad spectrum protection we desire, while not ruining the flow or the feel or the finish of the product. To make matters worse, we're trying not to offend by using certain of the sunscreen actives. Everything seems to get stuffed into the oil phase and it becomes a crowded mess. In most emulsion formulations, we've got this vast canvas of water phase that's not doing anything for us in terms of sun protection. Ensulizole, or some know it as PBSA, it's a water-soluble active that, when neutralized, is a very effective UVB absorber. It's largely been neglected, likely because of a phenomenon that we've come to understand as we're looking at active delivery of water-soluble materials. What happens is that when the formulation is applied to the skin, the water evaporates and the material comes out of solution before it gets diffused to the skin. So let's put that in the context of Ensulizole. We've designed a formula, we've put Ensulizole in there, and just about the time we're ready to do the SPF test, the water has left the building and it's gone out of solution, crashing down and offering no protection whatsoever. With the use of Zemea, bio-based propanediol, we extend that time so that when the sunscreen active is applied to the skin, we allow for a secondary non-volatile solvent in propanediol to be able to catch it when it falls and continue to have it work. So as you look to design a new beachwear product, a daily wear product, or a liquid foundation, which is a really exciting example of being able to up the SPF without changing the formulation aesthetics, the look or the feel, and to be able to get you over SPF 15 so that you can get that broad spectrum and SPF that you desire in a daily facial moisturizer with color. So Ensulizole, the forgotten sunscreen, can now be remembered and maybe work for the very first time combined with Zemea.